Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So my brother-in-law gave me a box of tools for Christmas. Some really rusted, messed up tools, which was a great present. And thank you very much, Rodney. I appreciate it. But anyway, one of them was maybe not as bad as some of the others, and I thought I would give it a shot at restoration. It was locked up, couldn't even open it or anything, but it's a wrench they call Adjust-A-Box. Now you may have seen one of my previous videos where I restored this wrench, and it's similar in that it has this little turning mechanism and it opens that. But the patent is slightly different, and the operation of it is just ever so slightly different. So let me let you have a look at the wrench, and you can see what kind of shape it's in. As you can see, it's really rusty, but maybe after I take all the rust off of it, maybe there won't need to be too much done. So let's get started. Well, that's it. There you go. Looks pretty good, I think. The mechanism's not quite as smooth as the Craftsman one that I had done earlier. I think that's just a flaw in the design. It's a little, once you lubricate it, it's okay. But anyway, I think it looks all right. And we'll call that done. Thanks.